Hey guys, Rhett here, down in Birmingham at a client's property. Super excited to be down here. This client bought this house for $30,000. Unbelievable. You can't get it anywhere else in the country. If you're interested in following in this client's footsteps, my email's below. Shoot me a message, get you into the coaching program. Let's go on in. So guys, our contracting crew started here about a day and a half ago. They've already re-sided the entire house. They're doing a phenomenal job. This is siding that's down here. So this is a smaller house, okay? It's 3 bedrooms, it's about 980 square feet. Our crew is gonna be done here in the next 7 to 10 days. Putting a new roof on tomorrow. They've already done exterior siding on the whole place. This is going to be a really nice rental. Actually, when I showed up, 2 people have already come by and asked about renting the unit, and it's only 10 o'clock in the morning today. So guys, come on in here. So walking right in here, it's a living room, right? And keep in mind, it's only about 980 square feet, so it's pretty small. We have original hardwoods right here. What we're gonna do though is because this hardwood is older, it's been used as a subfloor for so long. In a lot of cases, I would say, let's sand it, refinish it. In this case, however, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna carpet over it and run carpet through the entire thing. So the bedrooms have carpet already. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna carpet over the bedrooms, new carpet in the bedrooms, new carpet in the living room. Here in the kitchen, we have some vinyl sheet flooring, okay? We're gonna pick this up and put laminate down in here. Really small kitchen. This is an old oven hood vent, okay? We're gonna rip this out. We're gonna put a new oven right here. The refrigerator went right here. We're gonna put a counter depth refrigerator here. New countertops. Obviously, the water heater is gonna have to stay here, and in kind of a weird setup, you can see the old tenants that were here. They had their laundry hookups right here, their washer and dryer hookups. They had their dryer right here with the dryer vent right there. You see our outlets for the dryer, outlet for the washing machine. So everything was centralized in here. We don't love that, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna find another place to change the hookups, move them into a more convenient place for the tenant. So we're gonna make the most of our space in here. New flooring, new countertops, and kind of redo this kitchen in a way that we think it should be done. So like I said, we're gonna carpet all through here. And I know it's a little small, but it's a 3-bedroom house. So we come back here, and we have our first bedroom right here. Okay, you guys, we put a new ceiling in right here. Still needs to be painted. We did all the touch-up work. The windows they're older, but they're metal windows, and they work. So we're actually going to keep these windows because they're all functioning and they're good. So what we're going to do in here, guys, we're going to clean it. We're going to repaint. I'm going to put a new door, new closet door in here, new bedroom door in here, and all new carpet in here. Now these bedrooms, they're 11 by 9. They might look smaller on the video, but they're not terribly small. So again, in here, same thing. Windows are all operational. New carpet in here, new paint. There were not ceiling fans in here. Obviously, we're not going to add those in. So the layout's really good, guys. It's quaint, it's comfortable, and you really get the most out of your 980 square feet at least. I mean, everything is being used in here. I know you have to when you talk about smaller houses like this. But then we come in here, guys, and there's already some laminate flooring in here. This is not our doing. As you can see, it hasn't been put in well. You guys can see the gaps in here. It wasn't laid tight enough. So we're gonna relay carpet over all this, right? We're gonna pull this laminate up. We're gonna use the subfloor underneath and do carpet here. And we're gonna obviously repaint in here, new closet door in here, and make this thing, really nice 3rd bedroom. So pretty excited about that. Now, coming into the bathroom, so it's a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house, okay? So, coming into the bathroom, guys, all the floor was rotted out, so we put in a new subfloor right here. We're gonna do new vanity, new toilet, new everything. The bath is actually in pretty good shape. It's all tiled in. We're gonna clean up all the tile. Obviously rip this out, make sure that window is functioning and all good. New toilet, clean the tub, and we're gonna put laminate flooring down in here because obviously you're not putting carpet in the bathroom. Now, one thing I want to talk to you guys about is in a bathroom you need one of two things. You need an operating vent, okay, or you need an operating window. So, because there's no operating vent in here, this window has to be made usable, all right? So this window is aluminum, it's great, it's got locks. We're gonna clean up around the window, we'll paint around the window, and we'll make it, make sure that it works good, and then you don't need a vent. As long as you have, something to move air around and get steam out of the room when you're taking a shower, then you have a legal bathroom, okay? Guys, walking back out into the living room, obviously all these doors will be reframed in, but we took the old doors off. One of the first thing our contracting crew does, secure the property. We take out the old doors, new locks, brand new doors. This is a new steel door. We run steel doors all the time, okay? Very nice. And you have a porch off the back. Now, I'm not gonna go out there because that might be the last step I ever take, but we have an old porch right here. What we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna take this old porch, we're gonna extend it another 4 or 5 feet, and this will be a really, really nice area for a family that moves in here, okay? You can put stuff on the porch, you can turn this into another living space if you want to screen it in. This is gonna be a really, really nice amenity for the person that ends up moving into this property. And like I said, we've already had 2 people come today to ask about renting it, which is, there's really nothing better than that from an investment standpoint. So guys, if there's anything else you think should be done to this property, leave a comment below. Tell me what it is. If it's a good idea, we'll do it. We'll add it in. Otherwise, any questions, comments, leave them in the comments. Shoot me an email in the link below, and we'll see you soon.